Front yard. You can take you through the whole house. There's the living room on the left. Goes into this dining room, I guess. Backyard. The kitchen. I got a movable island. And the bathroom. Here's the basement downstairs. Oh, there's a garage. You can't see in that two-door garage. And the garage door opener works. The fireplace room. Goes outside. Crabapple tree. A little garden they started here. And then shed. It's got a lawnmower, so I can do the lawn myself. There's 2 grills, so I got a grill already. This guy's coming to take his doghouse back. And now we're going upstairs. Here's one bedroom, one guest bedroom with a big closet. Here's the other bedroom, guest bedroom. It's really big. Closet, and this is the upstairs bathroom with a bath. And now my room, the biggest room I've ever seen in my life. Ooh. My bathroom. Nice, they just redid it. They did a really nice job cleaning the whole house. They got all the carpets vacuumed. My closet's huge. It's awesome.